and let's go through some marketing strategies. Okay, first we now have Zoho Social. Zoho Social is a very powerful platform and it integrates with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and all those other magical platforms. Basically this can schedule your posts up to 6 months, so you can do a daily post and take the time to do the whole daily post for 6 months, including your special days like Christmas and all the other days, and create some contextual content around. So this allows you to do it straight away and put everything in the newspaper. Okay, so what are we going to put in the newspaper? Well, we've got a lot of videos, a load of old videos which we can cut up and edit and make into a 3 to 5 minute video, along with top and tailing with everything. We've got a lot of blogs ranging back from a long time ago, which we can cut up into snippets and just put them into a post. Along with, when you do the post, don't forget you need the URL and the keyword hashtags and. Okay. Photos. With every bit of written content, we can stick a photo of the key places in the factory or of the key personnel and write some content. As far as audio content, again we can take all the old videos and strip out the audio, top and tail it, and then do a podcast from all the old videos. Okay, so this is your content to go into your Zoho Social, which is putting regular content on your Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, and this is just regular content from all your old previous content. Also, don't forget the TikTok strategy, taking all your videos and cutting them from horizontal into vertical and putting them all on a daily thing onto your TikTok. So don't forget that one. Then we go on to paid advertisement, and a good bang for your buck is your Facebook likes. And this is at target audiences, maybe USA or Europe or wherever your target industry and niche is. And it's a simple likes campaign. You put a nice love heart or something eye-catching and say like our page. And you slowly get up, and you have to pay for it anything from 0.01 cent to $2 or $3 per like, depending on your target, depending on the quality of your target. But anyway, you want to get it up to at least 6,000 so it looks like an actual viable page that you're using. So this is your Facebook likes campaign, and not only that, you do a Facebook group in your niche target. So with your Facebook group, you attach your Facebook page to your group, and then everybody who likes your page, you can request them to join your group. And the beauty about the groups is it's your group, so you can put whatever you want in, and you can restrict other people putting what they're putting in depending on your rules of the group. And you slowly build up your group. Having a group of 10,000 people within your niche is a powerful tool, and the best time to start a group was maybe 2 years ago, but the second best time is right now. So it's very important to start a group. Don't forget LinkedIn groups, also very powerful, also take a bit of time to grow, but once you have the group, it's like a snowball effect, and will slowly get better and more people. And this is it's a long-term strategy, but it's very important. So the good thing about groups is when you come to do your live broadcast, And I suggest everybody in today's era to do live broadcasts. Maybe once a week, you schedule a live broadcast and you talk about anything to do with your niche, and you regularly pre-plan it approximately, but the point about live is you be yourself, and you can ask people to ask you questions. So live broadcasts are very important, and you put all your live broadcasts into your group. So as you go your group and you tell people you're going, more and more people will watch. And the good thing about a live broadcast, you can ask people questions. Okay, so all your videos that you're creating must go into your Facebook groups, go into your LinkedIn groups, go onto your YouTube, and also go into your TikTok and your Facebook account. And then you can take a nice video of your niche, your product, your service, and then you can use Facebook to target those niche. And Facebook has a very big algorithm of specific people that you can target. So you put some money against this, same as you put some money against a like campaign, and you do a target audience. And then you try that target audience, and then you retarget and retarget and retarget, and eventually you get to a persona which is good for your niche, and then you duplicate that to other areas around the world. Then we come on to the LinkedIn lead generation page strategy, which basically you can outsource a lot of this to Upwork. People in the Philippines, you pay them $10 per hour, $6 to $10 per hour, or you have some university graduates. I know from my experience, there's a course to learn how to use Amazon, and if they know how to use one platform, they can learn how to use another platform. And they are between 3,000 to 5,000 RMB. And then these do all the work of searching your targets, hitting your targets with pre-scripted emails, and collecting all the emails, putting them into your email generation, and hitting them with emails, as well as hitting them with LinkedIn, as well as hitting them with Facebook, and you hit them everywhere, your target, as well as your sales, who are the people who go and shake the hands and close the deals. Don't forget your Wechat. Wechat is very important. Basically, it's your website, which is everything on your website you duplicate onto your Wechat, and all your services and your approximate cost of your services or products, and then all the blogs which are on your website, you can put everything onto your Wechat and push everything out. Because don't forget China is still 40% of the world market, so we need to look at that, but obviously the price structure is different and we need to take that into account. KOL, which is the influencers. Again, you need to put some money against the key opinionated leaders, because they're the ones who have got all the opinions now. Nobody's watching TV. So there's one way to do it, which is search YouTube, find out who your target audience is on YouTube, who your target audience are watching on YouTube, and find the email. So you go into the about and you can find the email, and then you pull that into your system, and then send them an email to say, if you're interested in being our influencer, then come to this landing page on your website, set up a nice landing page on your website, and enter your details and collect all their details in their email. And from their influencer experience or their reach and their type of influence that you're looking for, you know how much to charge them. And it will become a percentage database of how much you need to spend on your key opinionated leaders. There's also a few websites like famebit.com, which is sponsored by YouTube. You can create a campaign and put a budget, and then people bid on it between 50 to 900 to $20,000, depending on how much influence they have. And you go through and review everything and pick a few that you want and put the money against it, and then they create the content for you. You can also create your own flyer and push it out onto your social media and request for KOLs to come to your landing page, and then find out approximately how much they're going to charge, give them the money, give them a contract, and let them create the content for you. By doing the live videos, you can actually ask your potential customers what content they like to watch and create the content accordingly. Not only do you create them live video, on doing the live video there'll be golden moments which you can cut into short videos, 3 to 5 minute videos, and then top and tail it with your brand and everything else. So live videos are very important because you get to catch some golden moments. Take all your videos, make them into vertical for TikTok. TikTok is a very important platform at the moment, as is LinkedIn. These are the two top platforms for 2020, and everyone should be watching what's going on. But don't forget about your Facebook and Instagram, where you can use the Zoho Social. This is your daily news, and if you're not in the news, you don't exist. So get your strategy correct with all this. Republish all your old content onto these platforms, get a daily content going, and then focus on LinkedIn for lead generation and TikTok for new videos. So it's very simple to do a new video. You take your mobile phone, you go to your product or your service, and you do a quick 30-second video and then publish it, and continue. And just set up a KPI that you've got to do so many in the week, and they don't have to be super professional, they just have to have some educational value, and make it entertaining as well, so that people will watch. Okay, I'm Paul Jolley. Click on my channel, find out more information about strategies and Facebook. If there's anything you want to add, or if you disagree with anything I've said, please comment below, and wait for the next video. Thank you very much.